Let me continue, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then I've been asked to get what is ACE, right?
Yeah.
So look at this one. ACE, it consists of a couple bars. The first part, I got it already 34, right?
Yep.
But I don't have the other one. I mean, it's this one, right?
Yeah.
So, but the point is, look at this one. The first one, as I told you, that sounds like 34. Look,
Yeah.
couple parts, as I told you. So the first one is 34, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I need to get the other part. And how could I get the other part, right? So the point is, I got something that's really interesting. Let me share it with you. So from just a little bit of time, I was trying to tell you something that's really important. So this one, if you have a diameter, look at this one. Oh, I can even rotate it. Okay. So if you have this one, it sounds like a diameter. Okay. And it's the same triangle,
Yep.
have a tangent. So we get a theorem. This one is always perpendicular, right?
Yep.
So the tangent is always perpendicular to the diameter. And this one's really, really important and it's really useful. Let me turn back to this one. Could you describe to me what AB stands for? AB is a tangent, right?
Yeah.
And if you try to read the given information, he told me AB is the tangent of the circle with the point C. At the point C, and CD is the diameter. So what is the relation between those together? I have a diameter, and it's the same time. This one looks like a tangent, right? To make sense,
Yeah.
unite. Did you get it? So if you want to get what is ACE stands for, so it's going to be 34 plus 90, right?
Yeah.
124. Is that clear for you?
Yeah. You can say that.
Do it again. I understand that.
No, I think I understand it.
Okay. Um, this one. Oh, can you remember this one?
Yeah. Yeah. Difference of square. Just no.
No,
Complete the square.
or completing
Complete
the
the
square.
square.
Yeah.
Complete the square.
I have a couple
Yeah.
ways, but I don't know.
Right.
I have a couple ways to do it. No, what?
I have a way.
Yeah, so tell me, how can I do it? So,
Mm.
where's the middle? Remember, I really care.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember, the rule tells us middle divided 2 by 2, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Third term. So, for example, if you have x squared plus 8x, I need to write it in a vertex form. So I need to get the middle. Where's the middle?
8x. So it's 4.
A divided 2 by 2, right?
Yeah.
So A divided 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 16. So let me add up 16 and subtract 16. So it seems like I'm trying to add up 0, right?
Yeah.
And I really care about those together. So let me open up only one bracket, all to the power of 2 minus 16. This one, I need to bring it down. So I need to square the first, square the last one. I need to get the square root of the first one is square root of x squared is going to be x. Square root of 16 is going to be 4. And this one's going to be positive. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have the same thing. What is the middle?
8x.
Okay. Let me divide it by 2. Let me get the half of it. So a divided 2 by 2.
4.
4 by 2.
16.
Okay. So let me write x squared plus 8x. And this one's 15, right?
Yeah.
Let me add up 16 and subtract 16, right? Sounds like
Yeah.
I'm add up 0, right?
Yeah.
So gonna be only -1, right? You know why -1?
Yeah, because 15 minus 16.
Yeah, it's gonna be negative.
And then x plus 4.
So x plus 4, which is about 2.
Yeah.
-1. Did you get it?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay. So I told you that I taught you before something called canonical form. You remember? It's supposed to be a when multiplied with x plus p over 2a all to the power 2 minus p squared minus 4ac over 4a. But anyway, this one looks good. So we need to demand or not. Okay. So
Yeah.
they asked me what about the turning point? You know, the turning point sounds
Yeah,
like
I know how to do this one.
yeah, okay. Tell me.
So, so you factorize first.
No, wait, hold on. Look at this one. So it sounds like a problem, right?
Yeah.
This calls a turning point, right?
Yeah.
You know, I get it already from using the vertex form. So for example, if you have x minus 2 all to the power 2 plus 7, and all of a sudden he asks me to find out what is the turning point, just remember, change, keep. So it's going to be 2 and 7.
All right. Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah. Right.
So where is the turning point?
I
Change,
thought
change, keep.
change seat. So, are we still in the first one? All right. I thought we.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So 4 and -4, +1.
You meant to -4, change, keep.
That's what I said. -4. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Yeah. But it says the turning point of graph x squared plus 8x plus 15. Oh, that's the one we did. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but well, we did. You know, the point is that's called the turning point. No, because
Yeah.
the behavior of the function has changed from being decreased into increased. This is the reason why do we call it as turning point. Did you get it? So if we try
Yeah.
to graph, for example, x squared plus 8x plus 15, let me show you. X squared plus 8x plus 15, right? So where is the vertex? It's -4 and -1. I think the exact same thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, yeah. So this is the reason why do we call it as turning point? So this is called the vertex. Okay. Do it again, understand it.
I understand it.
Okay. Find the equation of the line passing through the points -3 and -1, -5 and 7, and to get the equation in its simplest form. So how can I do it?
So
I need a couple things, right?
yeah.
I need to figure out the slope firstly. Then I need to get the y-intercept, because every single time you want to get the equation of the straight line, you need to remember. I'm not gonna solve it, but I'm gonna remind you that y equals mx plus b, right? Y stands for
Oh yeah. Yeah.
so m stands for the slope, and the slope sounds like the degree of the steepness, right?
Yep.
And b stands for the y-intercept. So if I have I need a couple points to be able to figure out what is the slope stands for. So if I have 2 and 3, and here we have, for example, 4 and 7, right? So in
Yeah.
this
Y2.
case, this one's x1, y1, x2,
Yeah.
y. So it sounds like
Y1 minus Y2.
yeah,
No,
y
Y2 minus Y1 divided by
over.
X2. Yeah.
So it sounds like the difference of y over the difference of x. So it's going to be 7 minus 3 over 4 minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. It's going to be 4 over 2. So it's going to be 2. The point is, let me try to block what is m stands for. So y equals to 2x plus b, right?
Yeah.
So how could I figure out what is b stands for? No, I have a couple of points. You could pick up whenever you want. So
Switch Y and B.
yeah. So, but the point is, let me pick up this one. So instead of writing y, I'm going to write 3. 2 times x stands for 2, so it's going to be 4 plus p, right?
Yeah.
I need to isolate p, so p it must be isolated, so it's going to be -1, right?
Yeah. Wait, how was Y3? Is it Y4?
No, I picked up this one.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
right now it's time for writing this equation. So y equals to mx plus b. M is going to be 2x plus -1, or could you write it just like 2x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
Okay. How can I do it?
-3 is X1. -5 is X2. -1 is Y1. 7 is Y2. Y2. So you do 7 minus my one. 7 minus -1
Yeah, right.
divided by -3 minus -5.
Oh, wait, hold on. This one's y is
Yeah,
x2.
that one. -5. Yeah, -5. Yeah.
No,
So equals 8 divided by 8.
no, I don't think so. I made a mistake.
Oh,
This one is 8. This one's going to be -5 plus 3, right?
why not 8?
Look at this one. This one is -5.
Oh,
With
that's a -5. Yeah.
positive.
Yeah.
So it's going
So
to be,
that'll be 8 divided by -8.
you meant to,
I'm at -2.
yeah, right. Okay. So it's going to be -4. I got what is the slope stands for. So let me write it.
Yeah.
So
Y equals mx plus
y
b.
equals to mx plus b. So y equals to
-4
right?
times times x plus b.
Okay.
So switch b and y. So it'll be b equals
Which one
-4.
want to make -3 or -1 or -5 and 7? Have a couple points.
-3 and -1.
Yeah. Okay. So when instead of writing y, I'm gonna write -1, which equals to -4 multiply with -3 plus p, right?
B. Yep.
Okay.
Switch being -1.
So this one's going to be 12 plus p.
Yeah. So B equals neg B equals yeah.
Okay, so what b stands for?
-13.
Yeah, right. So let me write the equation. So y equals to -4x minus 13, right?
Yes.
So did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go for change the subject of the formula to b. So it seems like I'm trying to isolate b, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, it's been divided with 1, right?
Yeah.
I was trying to write it as a fraction because I need to use a cross multiplying. So what I want to do, this one sounds like d c squared, right?
Yeah.
Which equals to p plus a. And then
Whoa,
I need to isolate b.
so B equals, oh, so take away A.
Yeah, take away a.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that it?
Did you get
Wait,
it?
so what did you do? What did you do? What did you do at the start there? Like with D and C? Like,
Wait, hold on. The first thing,
what did you do in the first step?
okay, look at this one. I have a denominator, right?
Yeah.
So this one must be written just like I need to combine them in the same side, which makes sense. I need to get p by itself, right? But the point is, both of b and 4, this one's 4, not a. Anyway, so both b and 4 have been divided with c squared, right? I need
Yeah.
to get c squared firstly, which makes sense. I need to multiply the left-hand side and right-hand side by c squared to be able to get rid of it, right?
Yep.
And this one also by c squared, which makes sense. This one's been cancelled with this one. So it's going to be dc squared, which equals to b plus 4, right? I suppose
Yeah.
this one was 8, but it's 4, not 8, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I need to get b by itself. So 4, I need to push it to the other side. So what b stands for? dc squared minus 4.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try to go over this one. This one sounds like pretty simple. He asked me what is A stands for and what B stands for. So basically, if you want to get what is A stands for, looks like the range of it. So what do you think?
Three.
Yeah. If the maximum point and the minimum point sounds like from -3 to +3. This one sounds like the interval for the trigonometric function. So A sounds like 3, right?
Yeah.
So what is B stands for? B looks pretty simple. The entire revolution is 360, but this one is 45. So if you want to get what B stands for, you have to divide 360 divided by 45, right?
Yeah.
Did you get it? It's not hard.
No.
So it's going to be 8. Do it again.
8. Not understand it.
Okay. This one, I've been asked to calculate what is cosine B. You need to keep the rule. No, I don't think that you need to keep the rule. I think this one's been given there. Yeah. If you want to get the cosine A, so it's going to be B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC, right? Look at this one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you need to apply it. So he asked me cosine B. So let me write it. Cosine B. So it's going to be, we have a couple ways to do it. You could do it just like you can do it explicitly because it's been given. So, or you could change a letter if you don't feel yourself. Fit to do it. But the point is, where is B? Where is B? Be there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me do it. So I need to get them. So if you want to get this one, so it's supposed to be. Let me write it. It's going to be 7 squared, right?
Yeah.
I need to get those. So it's going to be plus 3 squared minus this one, minus the opposite.
Yeah.
Divided by 2, multiplied by them. 7 times 3. Okay? Do it again.
Yeah.
So look at this one. Now, I've been asked to calculate what is cosine B, right?
Yeah.
So let me label it. Let me highlight it firstly. This one's cosine B, right? I really care about the sides. So what is cosine B stands for? So it's going to be
7 squared plus 3 squared minus 5 squared.
Right?
Yeah.
Divided by
7.
no, 2.
2 times 7 squared plus 3 squared.
No. 2 times 7 times 3. Don't have a square in the denominator.
Square them, okay.
So this one sounds like 49 plus 9 minus 25 divided by 42, right?
Yep.
So wait, hold on. I think this one, it's going to be 58 minus 25. So this one's 33.
Divided by 42.
So I need to make it simple. Most of them are divisible by 3.
Divided by 3.
Yeah, okay. So it's going to be 11.
Over 14.
Yeah, okay. Did you get it?
Yeah.
The point is, this one must be arranged in the simplest form because he asked me to do it. So
yeah,
sine B, it's going to be 11 over 14, right?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one? The point is, from a website, it's given 30% discount, and he pays 16.10. So this one, without discount, which makes sense, it's really easy, right?
Yeah.
So the point is, this one looks like we have this one is before, and this one's count, This one is after discount, right?
Yeah.
So this one is supposed to be 100%. Discount was 30%, which makes sense. After discount, it's going to be 70% because in discount, we need to subtract, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what should he do? He told me he pays this one. It makes sense. This one must be written below 70% because he tried to pay after discount, right?
Yeah.
Which makes sense. This one 16.10, and all of a sudden, he asked me to calculate the cost of the RC without discount, which makes sense. I need to use the cross multiplying, so it's going to be 16.10 multiply 100 divided by 70. You get it?
Yeah.
Do it again. Understand it.
Understand it.
So this one, which is supposed to be, I meant this one's gonna be because I need to put the point divided by 70, right?
Yep.
So 23, the final answer. Because if you try to use a longer division, 161 divided by 7. This one's pretty close to 14. We try to subtract, so it's going to be 21. 21 divided by 7 is going to be 3, so 23, right?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, do it again.
No, understand.
Okay, the other one. No, this one, he asked me to give your answer with a positive. I don't care about the negative. I have to handle it. Be done. So the point is, I told you before that if you have a couple powers, one of them is been written inside the parentheses, and we have another one right in parentheses. I need to multiply them, right?
Yeah, multiply them. Yeah.
So it's going to be m to the power of -8, right?
Yeah. Times m to -9.
Yeah, okay. So in this case, I need to add up them together
Yeah.
according to the laws of ANSYS, which makes sense. It's going to be m to the power of -13, right?
Yeah.
Because -8 plus -5 is going to be m to the power of -13, but you don't have to keep it like this one. You need to flip it. This one, it sounds like m to the power of -13 over 1, which makes sense. I need to swipe their places, so it's going to be 1 over m to the power of 13, right?
Yeah.
Do it again, understand it.
Understand it.
Okay. Okay, I need to end up the meeting and try to rejoin the same link, but let me check something, okay?